just talked to the excavator operator, and yeah, he's been putting in quite a bit of work. I asked him what the plan was, and they said they're just going to grade it out and try and pull up the picnic tables and just throw topsoil over it all and yeah, replant, which I thought was pretty brilliant, because scraping all this rock away, yeah, doesn't make much sense, does it? Big cost, and you'd still have to deal with the cleanup. So this is insane, my word. Yeah, the berm way up by the bridge at the top of the parking lot, just after the bridge, is where it gave out on both sides, and rock spread across the parking lot into the forest and right down to the beach. So guess we're bringing up the height of the beach. That excavator operator, I didn't get his name. He's a real hero. He's basically battling nature to keep water on the forest side of the creek, not on the parking lot side. And as he said, that's been a challenge, but what a kind of a fun thing to try and do. Control water.